Thinking about staying on Ozempic long-term? Whether you are using it for type 2 diabetes or weight loss, it is a smart question, and the answer is not the same for everyone. In this video, we are going to break down the real pros, the potential risks, and what you can expect if you are using Ozempic for months, or even years. I am a licensed pharmacist, and this is Pharmacist Online. Let us get right into it. Ozempic, also called Semaglutide, is approved by the Food and Drug Administration for the long-term treatment of type 2 diabetes. So yes, it is safe for long-term use. But that does not mean it is right for everyone. Let us start with the benefits. If you stay on Ozempic long-term, here is what it can help with. Lowering your hemoglobin A1C, keeping your blood sugar more stable, supporting long-term weight loss or weight maintenance, and even reducing your risk of heart attack or stroke if you have type 2 diabetes and heart disease. In fact, many people see their biggest improvements between 6 and 12 months. Staying on Ozempic can help maintain those results. But what about the risks? Here are a few things to keep in mind. Number 1, side effects can stick around or show up later. Things like nausea, constipation, or bloating often improve after the first few weeks. But for some people, those issues linger. And in rare cases, people develop new concerns over time, like gallbladder problems or even pancreatitis. That is why regular checkups are important. Number 2, digestion changes can affect nutrient absorption. Because Ozempic slows how fast your stomach empties, it may change how your body absorbs certain vitamins. Your doctor might want to keep an eye on your vitamin B12 or other labs during long-term use. Number 3, cost can be a factor. Ozempic is not cheap. And if you are using it for weight loss, not all insurance plans will cover it. That can make staying on it long-term tough, especially if your coverage changes. Number 4, what happens if you stop? That is a big one. For many people, appetite returns after stopping Ozempic, and so does the weight. This does not mean the medication caused a problem. It just means your body is going back to its natural rhythm. That is why having a long-term plan is key, especially if you are using it for weight loss. So, should you stay on Ozempic long-term? If you are using it for type 2 diabetes and it is working well without serious side effects, your doctor may recommend continuing. If you are using it to lose weight, think of Ozempic as a tool, not a permanent fix. Use the time it gives you to build better habits, because those are what will help you stay healthy even after stopping the medication. Let us wrap it up with a quick recap. Yes, Ozempic can be used long-term for most people. It supports blood sugar control, weight loss, and heart health. Some side effects may last or appear later, so regular checkups are important. Cost and coverage may impact access over time, and if you stop, your body will likely return to its pre-treatment state, unless habits are in place. Have you been on Ozempic for a while? What has your experience been like long-term? Share it in the comments. It could help someone else decide what to do next. Next time, we are going to talk about how to safely switch from Trulicity to Ozempic or Mounjaro, what to expect, how the doses compare, and how to manage side effects. If this video gave you some clarity, tap that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to Pharmacist Online for more health info that is honest, clear, and useful. Take care, and I will see you in the next one.